See the bird, Shifter? Where's the bird? You see that bird? Huh? You see him? Yeah? Get the bird. Get that son of a bitch. Get it. Get the bird. No dice? Alright, here's what we're going to do. I think we'll drop this down, and maybe he'll take off and he'll fly across the other side, okay? Let's try that. He ain't giving a shit about this. I'm going to close the blind. I'm going to flip shit a little bit, right? And we'll see what happens here. Get it. Get the bird. Go take it outside. Get the bird. That's what you do. Alright, now take it outside. Get it. Get the bird. Get the bird. Little fella's freaking out, huh? Shifter, you are a terrible dog. You don't know how to get the bird? Get the bird! Alright, Shifter, hold on. Hold on. Alright, let's let this bird fly. Come on, Shifter. Get it. Alright. Oh, I took a poop in our house. That is no good. Go! Get out of my house! Oh, you see the rooster, huh? Son of a bitch. Oh, he still doesn't get it. That's alright. Well, what if we throw confetti eggs at it, Shifter, huh? What do you think of that? Think that'll work? Well, that didn't work either. Let's see if this does it. This is how you catch a bird and put him outside.